Today, we're looking at 12 gadgets that are so incredibly useful, so brilliantly designed that they feel like cheating at life. These are the kind of products that make you wonder how you ever lived without them. Let's get into it. Number 12. The Anker 757 PowerHouse Portable Power Station. This portable battery is basically a generator without the gas, noise, or fumes. YouTube channels like Project Farm Torture test these things, and they just keep working. The 1,229 watt-hour capacity powers laptops for over 20 charges, runs mini fridges for 15 hours, or keeps CPAP machines running for multiple nights. The 1,500 watt output handles power tools, kitchen appliances, and even microwaves. Tech channels show people running entire camping setups off one charge. The 6 AC outlets, 4 USB ports, and car outlet mean you can power everything simultaneously. The pass-through charging lets you charge the battery while using it. The battery recharges fully in under 2 hours using the wall outlet or solar panels. Amazon reviews from people who lost power during storms mention running essentials for days. Number 11. TileMate Bluetooth Tracker 4-pack. These tiny trackers attach to anything you lose regularly and find them through your phone. YouTube tech channels demonstrate the range extending up to 250 feet. The Community Find feature means if you lose something beyond Bluetooth range, any Tile user who passes near it updates the location. Attach one to your keys and never search couch cushions again. Put one in your wallet and locate it instantly. Amazon reviews mention people finding lost bags at airports and stolen bikes across cities. The trackers work with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can make the Tile ring even if your phone is silenced. The reverse feature makes the Tile ring your phone when you can't find it. The battery lasts 3 years before needing replacement. Number 10. Govee Smart LED Strip Lights. These app-controlled LED strips transform any room with customizable lighting. YouTube room tour channels use these constantly showing setups that look professionally designed. The strips stick to any surface with strong adhesive backing. The app controls 16 million color options with preset scenes for movies, gaming, and relaxation. The music sync mode makes lights pulse with your audio. The segmented control allows different sections to show different colors simultaneously. Amazon reviews show people installing these behind TVs, under beds, along ceilings, and in cars. The integration with Alexa and Google Home allows voice control. The timer functions automate lighting schedules. Some versions include a camera that matches screen colors, creating ambient backlighting. YouTube setup guides show installation taking under 10 minutes. Number 9. Instant Pot Duo plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. This multi-cooker replaces 9 kitchen appliances and cooks food dramatically faster than traditional methods. YouTube cooking channels like America's Test Kitchen extensively test instant pots, showing restaurant-quality results. The pressure cooking function makes pot roast in 45 minutes instead of 3 hours. The slow cooker mode handles traditional recipes. The rice cooker produces perfect rice every time. The yogurt maker creates homemade yogurt overnight. The steamer cooks vegetables while preserving nutrients. The saute function allows browning meat before pressure cooking. Amazon has over 100,000 reviews, averaging 4.5 stars. The programmable settings allow walking away while dinner cooks. The safety features prevent the dangerous pressure issues of old cookers. Number 8. Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. This notebook feels like paper, but erases completely when microwaved with water. YouTube productivity channels explain the genius behind this. You write with Pilot Frisian pens, which use thermosensitive ink. The Rocketbook app scans pages, uploading them to cloud services. The page markers allow automatic organization to different folders. After scanning, you wipe the pages with a damp cloth or microwave the entire notebook, and the pages erase completely. Amazon reviews from students mention using one notebook for entire semesters. The pages feel like normal paper, not whiteboard slickness. The scanning quality is excellent, with text remaining clear and readable digitally. YouTube note-taking channels compare this to traditional notebooks, showing the cost savings over time. Number 7. Anker Wireless Charging Station 3-in-1. This charging stand powers your phone, watch, and earbuds simultaneously with no cables. YouTube tech reviewers like YourIFG Consumer show this replacing cable clutter completely. The MagSafe compatible phone charger holds devices at perfect viewing angles. The Apple Watch charger pops up for nightstand mode. The AirPods Spot charges any Qi compatible earbuds. The 15-watt fast charging matches wired speeds. Amazon reviews mention bedside tables going from cable disasters to clean minimalist setups. The weighted base prevents tipping when grabbing phones. The case-friendly charging works through most phone cases. The safety features prevent overheating and overcharging. YouTube setup videos show this working with Android devices and Samsung watches too. Number 6. Wyze Cam V3 Security Camera. This security camera costs under $40, but performs like cameras costing 10 times more. YouTube security channels compare Wyze to premium brands showing shockingly similar performance. The 1080p color night vision works in complete darkness. The weather-resistant design allows outdoor installation. The two-way audio lets you communicate through the camera. The motion and sound detection sends smartphone alerts. The continuous recording option uses micro SD cards. Amazon reviews mention catching package thieves and monitoring pets remotely. The Wyze app allows viewing multiple cameras simultaneously. The time-lapse feature creates cool videos of daily activity. YouTube channels show installation taking under 10 minutes. Number 5. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug. This mug maintains your coffee at exact temperatures for hours. YouTube product review channels test the temperature accuracy with thermometers confirming perfection. The app allows setting precise temperatures between 120 and 145 degrees Fahrenheit. The LED indicator shows heating status and battery level. The charging coaster keeps the mug powered all day at your desk. Amazon reviews mention coffee staying perfect temperature from first sip to last. The battery lasts 90 minutes off the coaster when maintaining temperature. The ceramic coating is scratch-resistant and easy to clean. YouTube coffee enthusiast channels appreciate the engineering required to heat liquid precisely without burning. The mug learns your preferred temperature with use. The sleep mode conserves battery when not in use. Number 4. Roku Streaming Stick 4K. This tiny streaming device plugs into any TV delivering 4K HDR content from all major services. YouTube tech channels show this transforming old TVS into smart TVS for $50. The voice remote finds content across services with one search. The private listening feature streams audio to headphones through the remote or app. The fast processor eliminates the loading delays that plague cheap streaming devices. Amazon reviews mention replacing expensive smart TVs with basic TVs plus Roku sticks. The setup takes under 5 minutes. The interface is intuitive with universal search finding shows regardless of which service has them. YouTube cord-cutting channels recommend this consistently as the best budget streaming solution. The frequent free channel additions provide content without subscriptions. Number 3. Soundcore by Anker Life. Q30. Noise-canceling headphones. These wireless headphones cost under $80 but deliver noise cancellation that rivals AirPods Max. YouTube audio channels do blind tests showing people cannot distinguish these from $300 headphones. The active noise cancellation eliminates airplane engines, office chatter, and traffic noise. The transparency mode allows hearing surroundings when needed. The 40-hour battery life with ANC enabled is incredible. Amazon reviews from frequent travelers mention using these on international flights. The comfort allows all-day wear without pressure or heat. The sound quality is impressive with deep bass and clear highs. YouTube music channels use these for casual listening, praising the audio signature. The multi-point connection allows pairing with 2 devices simultaneously. The app provides EQ customization. Number 2. Ninja Foodi 2-Basket Air Fryer. This dual-basket air fryer cooks 2 different foods at different temperatures, finishing simultaneously. YouTube cooking channels demonstrate cooking chicken and vegetables with different cook times that finish together. The dual zone technology is genuinely clever, allowing complete meal preparation in one appliance. The 8-quart capacity feeds families without batches. Amazon reviews mention retiring ovens because air fryers handle everything. The crisping results rival deep frying without oil. The even cooking eliminates the hot spots of cheaper air fryers. YouTube recipe channels create entire cookbooks of air fryer meals. The dishwasher-safe baskets make cleanup trivial. The Smart Finish function holds one basket while the other completes. Number 1. Apple AirTag 4-pack. These tiny trackers find lost items with precision that seems like magic. YouTube tech reviewers demonstrate the ultra-wideband technology that guides you directly to lost items with directional arrows and distance measurements. The Find My network includes hundreds of millions of devices, creating a massive finding network. Amazon reviews tell stories of recovering lost luggage across continents and finding stolen cars. The setup is instant with iPhones. The battery lasts over a year and is user replaceable. The water and dust resistance survives harsh conditions. YouTube videos show people testing the range and accuracy in various scenarios. The precision finding shows exact direction and distance when nearby. The sound is surprisingly loud for the tiny size. The integration with iPhone allows AirTags to identify themselves when found by others.